Here are 5 terrifying natural disasters that shocked the world. Before we begin, hit like and subscribe. You will have luck in 5 seconds. The 1908 Tunguska explosion, a mystery in the sky. In 1908, a massive explosion flattened 800 square miles of forest in Siberia. The blast was so powerful it could be seen from hundreds of miles away. But here's the catch. There was no impact crater. Scientists believe it was a meteor or a comet, but no solid evidence has ever been found. What really happened that day? The 1931 China floods, the deadliest in history. In 1931, China experienced the worst flood disaster ever recorded. Heavy rains caused rivers to overflow, submerging entire cities and killing millions. But what made it worse? A deadly combination of storms, typhoons, and failed infrastructure turned this into one of the most devastating natural disasters in history. Mount Tambora eruption, 1815, the year without a summer. When Indonesia's Mount Tambora erupted in 1815, it wasn't just a local disaster. The explosion was so massive that it changed the world's climate, blocking the sun and causing global temperatures to drop. Crops failed, snow fell in summer, and starvation spread across the planet. This was more than just an eruption. It was a global catastrophe. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, a disaster beyond imagination. On December 26, 2004, a massive undersea earthquake triggered a tsunami that devastated coastal areas across 14 countries. With waves reaching over 100 feet high, entire towns were wiped out in minutes. It was one of the deadliest tsunamis in history, reminding us of the ocean's incredible power. The 1811-1812 New Madrid earthquakes. When the Mississippi River flowed backward, a series of powerful earthquakes struck the central U.S., shaking the land so violently that the Mississippi River briefly flowed backward. Chimneys crumbled, forests sank, and the tremors were felt as far as Canada. Could such a disaster happen again?